Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company wig store located in Culver City, California. We're just getting on real quick to show you some of our beautiful wigs that we have in stock right now. This is, my favorite that I've been wearing lately. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. We are your custom full lace and front lace premium wig specialist and colorist located here in Culver City, California, USA. Don't forget to check out our hair care product line for at-home wig maintenance. This is the perfect thing you need for all your wigs and extensions. So today I wanted to show you guys this beautiful kinky straight texture right here. This is one of our 20-inch kinky straight wigs. You guys can see how beautiful and flowy this texture is. If you are looking for a texture that's not silky straight, the texture I currently have on is silky straight, and this is kinky straight. This is the kinky straight pressed out. So if you want a kinky straight that looks close to what my natural hair looks like when I don't, when I just blow dry it and press it out, this is our kinky straight. Now over here, we're going to show you what the kinky straight looks like in the natural state. So if you want to wear it a little more bushy and before flat iron, this is also a great option here. Both of these textures are really soft and luxurious. You guys see what this texture looks like right here as opposed to what the texture looks like once we flat iron it out. So this is kinky straight here, this is silky straight. Sometimes we get questions, what's the difference between silky straight and kinky straight? I just cut some layers in this and custom colored it. But this right here is a kinky straight U part actually. So let me show you the top here. So it's a U part that we put a closure on. We had a client who needed a kinky straight front lace wig right now, and we don't have one, but we do have a kinky straight U part, and we just simply put this closure right in the middle, and once you sew that in and secure it, it will give you a natural look. It'll give you the same look as a wig will. You just have to sew these two pieces into place. So if you're looking for a lace wig and we don't have that particular lace wig, ask us if we have a U part in that exact same or something similar that we can piece together to give you the same look. So this is a great option. If you don't have time for us to order something for you, we can try to make it happen. Hi husband, I see you popped in. So yeah, that's what we're doing today at Magic Hair Company. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We are the best custom lace wig store located here in Culver City, California, USA, and we do custom wig coloring, as you can see here. Don't forget to check out our hair care product line. We literally only have a couple of these left, and once they sell out, it will take me a while to restock them. I am Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company. Let us know how we can help you here. If you are looking for a quality lace wig by a Black-owned wig store, check us out. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. This is our very, very popular and always sold out kinky straight texture. This is the flat iron version, and then we will have the, and this is the non-flat iron version here. Both of these textures are kinky straight. So if you want a beautiful kinky straight wig, shop with Magic Hair Company. We're located online at magichaircompany.com or here in Culver City. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm Janice. I am here. Ask us any questions you need. Use our text feature. Give us a call. Shop with us in store or online. Thanks for watching. We are Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you guys soon. Bye.